Hey, what's up guys, it's Vic here from EMPI, and today we're going to be installing our new SIDEFLOW exhaust that was designed and engineered here in-house. So I'm going to let David here give you some specs on it.
Hey, how's it going guys? My name's David and I'm an engineer behind this system. So here we have an 1.5" base diameter tube SIDEFLOW muffler that we're releasing. Some highlights of this is the 3/4 inch thick flanges that we have here. We have equal runners throughout the system to ensure equal flow so you guys get the most performance out of the system. And that includes these lengths right here to ensure that immediately out of your heads you have nice flow coming out and there's no restrictions. Another thing is this is a 304 stainless steel TIG welded system designed for good performance. So this system will clear your canister style filters for those of you who run that style. So you won't have to remove your header to take off your oil filter and perform an oil change. And this one also comes with a V-band clamp instead of your standard three prongs. So your part number for this guy is going to be the 003769-0, and it'll come as you see it right here with its gaskets and hardware.
Alright, sounds good David, let's get this installed on the car.
Let's get to it.